Hi, I'm Aurelia, Head of Growth at CGTrader, the world's largest 3D model marketplace. In this video, I'll walk you through exactly what to check before buying a 3D model, whether that's on CGTrader or anywhere else. 4 things, and they'll save you a lot of frustration. The first thing I always look at is the listing itself, because the way an asset is listed tells you a lot about the effort that went into making it. A detailed listing with clear descriptions, format info, polygon count, and what's included, that's a good sign. A vague 2-line description with one render, that's a red flag. Preview images are your best friends here. High-quality listings will show you multiple angles, close-ups, good lighting, and clean wireframes. Don't skip the wireframes. They show you what's actually going on under the surface. Look for consistent polygon density, clean edge flow, and no unnecessary geometry. Take this horse as an example. You can immediately see that a model is rigged and animated here in the description and also in the 3D features section here. Also, it shows you how many and which exactly loopable animations are included. Looking at the preview images, you can see that there are videos for animations. No surprises here. You can see all color variations. You can see asset from multiple angles in different positions. You can examine it by zooming in. And you have a wireframe, which you also can look at closely. That's what a well-prepared listing looks like. So, clear previews and detailed description, that's your first filter. Next, and this one catches a lot of people out, always check the native format before you buy. Here's how it looks in practice. The native format here is MA, that's Maya, built with Arnold 5.4, which is a current widely used render. Then below, you've got the exchange formats, FBX, JPEG, PNG, and MEL. Notice MEL here. That's a Maya-specific script format. If you're not in Maya, that's not going to be useful to you. And same goes for the full MA file. If your pipeline runs on a different tool, you would be working from FBX, and that's where the things can get lost. For a model like this, which is rigged, that's especially important. Rigs are complex. You've got bone structures, weight painting, constraints. Some of that can survive an export, but often it comes out broken or simplified. The shaders and Arnold materials won't transfer at all. So that careful fur and skin shading you saw in the preview, in FBX you're starting from scratch on that. So always check. What's the native software? What renderer was used? And does that match your setup? Third thing, look at the designer, not only the model. Check their reviews. What are customers saying about model quality, compatibility, and how issues were handled? A designer with 100 5-star reviews is a pretty safe bet. But even if the numbers look good, I still recommend clicking through their store page. Look at their response rate, at their other models, how many followers and likes they have. Good communication before a purchase is often a sign of a reliable seller. If something is unclear, do not hesitate to reach out either to the designer directly or to CGTrader support. Last thing, and people skip this more than they should, always check the license before purchasing. Make sure it fits your actual use case. Commercial project, personal use, game engine, broadcast, these all have different requirements, and the wrong license can create problems down the line. The license under which the asset is sold is listed here at the top of the page, at the top right corner. If you click on the information here, you will see what's allowed and what's not allowed. If you want to learn more about the specific license, you can click here, read the information, and if you want to learn even more about this, you can follow the link here and read the terms and conditions. It is very important that you understand what is allowed with the asset that you purchased. So there you have it. 4 checks before you buy: the listing, the native format, the designer's reputation, and the license. It doesn't take long, but it's the difference between an asset that works straight away and one that costs you hours of fixing. If this was useful, let us know in the comments what you look for when judging asset quality. See you in the next one.